We now discuss the solution of a problem from the section Coordinate Geometry, and this question has appeared in the Joint Entrance Examination Main held on 28th June 2022 in the second shift. The problem is related to a given hyperbola and its conjugate hyperbola. The given question is, let A and B positive real numbers. Let E and L respectively be eccentricity and length of latus rectum of the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Let E prime and L prime respectively be eccentricity and length of latus rectum of its conjugate hyperbola. If E square is equal to 11 by 14 L and E prime square is equal to 11 by 8 L prime, then the value of 77A plus 44B is equal to, we are given four options. Option A 100, option B 110, option C 120, option D 130. We are given two positive real numbers A and B, and we have the given hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. E and L respectively denote the eccentricity and latus rectum of this given hyperbola, and E prime and L prime respectively denote eccentricity and length of latus rectum of the conjugate hyperbola of the given hyperbola. It is given a relation between E square and L and E prime square and L prime, and the relation is E square is equal to 11 by 14 L and E prime square is equal to 11 by 8 L prime, required to find the value of 77A plus 44B. We have A greater than 0, B greater than 0. First we consider the given hyperbola h x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. E is the eccentricity of this ellipse, of this hyperbola. Yes, hyperbola. And L is the length of latus rectum of this hyperbola. And we have formulae for E and L. E square is equal to 1 plus b by a whole square. Yes, b by a whole square. And L is equal to 2b square by a. Yes. And taking the LCM here, E square is equal to a square plus b square by a square. We are given the relation between E square and L given by E square is equal to 11 by 14 L, and substituting for E square, a square plus b square by a square, and for L 2b square by a. In this we get a square plus b square by a square is equal to 11 by 14 into 2b square by a. In the denominator, cancelling the a, and 1a remains here, that will come to this place, and 2 7s are 14, then it will be 11 by 7 2ab square. So this will imply a square plus b square is equal to 11 by 7 ab square. That is, call this as the relation 1. And now consider the conjugate hyperbola of this hyperbola. So the conjugate hyperbola is h prime is minus x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. This is the conjugate hyperbola. And the eccentricity E prime and L prime is the length of the latus rectum. And E prime square is equal to 1 plus A by B whole square. And L prime is equal to 2A square by B. Taking the LCM here, you will get B square plus A square by B square. Yes, we are given a relation. E prime square is equal to 11 by 8 into L prime. E prime square is B square plus A square by B square is equal to 11 by 8 into L prime is 2A square by B. And in the denominator, B cancels, B remains here and it will go to the other side in the numerator. And it is 11 by 4 A square B. A square plus B square is equal to 11 by 4 B A square. A square B, B A square, one and the same. Let's call this as the equation 2. So these two relations we take and continue in the next slide. We have these two. Now they are equal. They are equal. Therefore, 11 by 7 AB square is equal to 11 by 4 BA square. So you will get this one. And AB cancel on both sides. AB cancel on both sides. And you will get a B here, A here. And 11 cancels. Then you will get 4B is equal to 7A. And B will be equal to 7A by 4. Take this value of B and substitute in 1. So this will have A square plus 7 by 4A whole square is equal to 11 by 7A into B square is 7 by 4A whole square. Now take the LCM here. This is 16A square plus 49A square by 16. And here 1 7 cancels and 1 7 remains. 11 7s are 77 by 16 into A square A cube. So that means 16 cancels in the denominator. 77A cube is equal to 65A square. Cancelling both sides A square, you will get 77A is equal to 65. Agreed. Take this value and go to B value. B is 7A by 4. So we have B is equal to 7A by 4. And that is equal to 77A is 65. 7A is 65 by 11. And 1 by 4. And that will be 65 by 44. Now 44B is equal to 65. Now what we want is 77A plus 44B. That is 77A is 65 plus 44B is 65. The total is 130. That is the required answer. Let's look at our options. Our answer 130 for 77A plus 44B appears against option D. Therefore, the answer to this question is option D. That is the detailed discussion of the solution of the problem which is related to a given hyperbola and its conjugate hyperbola from the section coordinate geometry. I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem and I wish you all the best. Thank you.